well dressed. From my head to my toe, I really want to use them as an example. First of all, if you look at my head, I am tying a hair tie. The name of hair tie in Igbo is Mgbaaka. Ibakwa. Some people call it Ibako. Some people call it Ibakwa. Some people call it Echafuisi. It depends on the dialect. But I just want you to know that you can call it Ibakwa, Ibako, or Echafuisi. Use it to tie on your hair to beautify yourself. You can use it to tie on your hair because your hairdo is already old. You also tie it when you're going to church. You can also tie your hair tie and go to the market just to protect your hair from dust. The next one is eyeglass. If you check very well, it's added to the way I look. If I remove it, you will see the difference. Are you seeing the difference? Are you seeing it? It complemented the way I am dressed. And the name of eyeglasses in Igbo is Ugogbe anya. You can also call it anya or anya. It depends on the dialect. The next one is earring. Ọla ntị also adds to our beauty. Ọla ntị na-eme ka anyị maa mma, especially women. When you wear earrings, you see that your beauty will top up. We also have